This is the coronavirus which is having a spike protein which helps COVID-19 to enter into the host cell. It is also having RNA gene, membrane protein, a small envelope and nucleoprotein. So this is all about the structure of COVID-19. The coronavirus which causes COVID-19 originated in the city of Wuhan, China. COVID-19 is believed to be transmitted by inhalation. Once infected, most people will experience some symptoms including fever, headache, sore throat, dry cough and shortness of breath. The virus attacks the lung first, which causes more serious infection. Inside the alveoli, exchange of gases take place. When the coronavirus attaches to a cell, it begins to replicate in the cell. The immune system attempts to destroy the virus, which results in an inflammatory response that causes fluid accumulation in lungs. Since the lungs fill with fluid, the body oxygen level decreases, which leads to the organ injury and hence causes the death of the person. So this is the working of coronavirus. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, I am Bhakti Lodi from class 6A. Make the project of water cycle in science. So let's begin with my project, water cycle.
Good evening, father, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Bhavesh of class C, school St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. This is my science.
Good morning. I am Sarah Rata of class 6B studying in St. Thomas Senior Secondary School, Ayodhya Bhopal. I have made a science model. The model is a working hydraulic crane machine arm. The materials used.
Hello friends, I am Srishti Vishwakarma of class 6B. I am from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. The digestive system is a part of a body that digests food into simple chemicals which can be absorbed into bloodstream. Digestion being in the...
Hi, my name is Managi Gautam. I am studying in St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School, Adhanagar, Bhopal. I have made a working model of digestive system. It helps us to digest food. Digestive system convert.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Athar Verma. I am from class 6C. This is my project wastewater treatment plant. The wastewater from homes, factories and our depot.
Hello, I am Aditya Sahu of class 6B. I am represent remote control robot which is prepared by me. Robot.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Anmol Tripathi of class 7B. My subject is science and my topic is hot-cold relative items.
Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Avish Karma of class 7C. Now I am going to show you outer fountain, used plastic pot, a working model of science.
Good morning everybody. My name is Anil Saw and I study in 7th. My model name is Future Smart Home. First we are having our motion detector sensor which detects the motion and opens the gate automatically. Then we are having our garage.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpit Goyal and I am of class 7C, and here is my two science models for the science model competition. So first is a Harley Davidson bike engine. So this is work on the force.
Good morning to all my one and all friends and teachers. I have making a science model of ATM. So let's start. This is my ATM card. I have put it inside and press the button number 1.
My name is Jishan Joshi and I am from class 7C. Now I am telling you about an experiment splitting of water. First we have to take
everyone, I am Aditi Sharma of class 7C, standing here to explain the conservation of momentum. As you can all see in this chart, before collision, first
Hey, good morning to teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Abhinav Singh. I am studying in class 7C. Today I am going to perform an experiment, namely using China rose as an indicator.
Hi guys, my name is Saksham Patel and I study in class 7th C. My school name is St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School and I will represent my science model respiratory system. So now let's get started. So first I will tell you how it's
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is James P. Joseph and star is the chest cavity, the balloons are the lungs and the rubber sheet.
Good morning all of you. My name is Roshan Khan of class 8A from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School, Ayodhya Nagar, Bhopal. So today I am making a respiratory system working model to explain you about respiratory system. The respiratory system.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anvin and I am from class 8th. My project is on the lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tower with bright light at the top to serve as a navigation aid for ships and
This is my model Chandrayaan 2, the second lunar exploration mission developed by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. In this mission,
Good evening everyone, my name is Shrey Tripathi and I am studying in class 9th and my school name is St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School and I have participated in science model making competition. So on that basis I have prepared my model and I will today show you what does the model works. So without wasting any time, so let's get started. So friends, this is my model and its name is water level sensor. And first I will show you the whole setup.
Hello everyone, respected father, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Sarthak Singh Tomar of class 9th standing here to present my science model based on the topic drip irrigation. So let's get started and I will explain you how this model works. But before that, I would like to explain you some of the benefits of drip irrigation. This type of irrigation, water goes in the form of tiny droplets due to which the roots get sufficient water.
I am Manas Patak of class 6A. Today you can see there are some shapes. There are octagon, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, oval, pentagon, hexagon. Now let us talk about triangle. Start. A triangle.
Hi everybody, my name is Anil Saul. I study in 7th. My model name is Geometrical 3D Bridge. This is my 3D geometrical symmetrical bridge. First, let us talk about.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chirag Pandey. I am studying in class 7th. Today I will be telling you about types of angles. There are mainly 6 types of angle. First one is acute angle, the angle which is less than.
Hello everyone, myself Abhanshi Baronia and I am studying class 7th A. I am here to present you my maths project, that is integer board. So now I am gonna present you. This project is on integer board, especially the problems related to integers, addition and subtraction of integers.
Hello everybody, I am Palak Joel from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School of class 7th. Today I am going to show you my maths model which is multiplication wheel of 15. So let's start with it. So this is my maths model multiplication wheel of 15.
Ma'am, good morning. I am Anmol Tripathi of class 7B. Today I am going to tell you about fractions. Fraction. A fraction is derived from a Latin word known as factors, which means broken. Represent.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Madhu Vishkarma of class 8B. And my name is Uttam Vishwakarma of class 8B. And this is our working model of maths. This shows the square root from 1 to 10.
See, the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, the square of
a perfect square or a square number.
शुभ संध्या। मम नाम शौर्य श्रीवास्तव अस्ति। मैं कक्षा 6वीं A में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आपको कुछ कविता की पंक्तियाँ सुनाऊंगा जो कि डॉक्टर हर्ष।
सादर नमस्कार। मैं पलक हिंदी कक्षा 6वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आज आपको अपनी संख्याओं का चार्ट प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। तो आज मैं आपको संस्कृत की संख्याओं के बारे में कुछ बताऊंगी। तो हमारी पहली संख्या है एकम।
मम नाम शुमेश्वर सर्वस्ति। मम कक्षा 6म A। त्रिवर्णा राष्ट्रध्वजा अस्माकं त्रिपट्टिका विराजन्ते। प्रथमा पट्टिका प्रतिवर्ष।
सभी को मेरा हार्दिक सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम चिराग पांडे है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं A का विद्यार्थी हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने अपना संस्कृत का कार्य प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगा। यह एक शब्द रूपाणी यंत्र है। प्रथमा विभक्ति देव देव देवा।
हरि ओम। मम नाम आयुषी प्रजापति अस्ति। अहं 7 A कक्षायां पठामि। अहं भवतां समक्षे श्लोक वदामि। प्रथमा पृथ्वी त्रीणि रत्नानि जल।
अहं जानवी राजपूत अस्मि। अहं 7 कक्षायां पठामि। अहं भक्तां समक्षे श्लोको उच्चारणं करोमि।
सुभाषितानि। सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम ईशान जोशी। मैं क्लास 7C में पढ़ता हूँ और आज मैं आपके लिए 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। सूर्यास्तं सोमनाथं च श्रीशैले मल्लिकार्जुनम् उज्जैन्य महाकालम् ओम।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम योगेश है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं यहाँ अपने संस्कृत प्रोजेक्ट के लिए।
नाम कल्याणी साहू अस्ति। मम कक्षा 7म B। वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा शाखादोला सीनाविका ते किमपि कुर्वन्ति वृक्षा पिबन्ति पवनं जलम।
सुप्रभात। मम नाम अनमोल त्रिपाठी अस्ति। मम कक्षा 7म अस्ति। आज मैं आपको संस्कृत संख्यावाची के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। संख्यावाची शब्दों में 1 से 4 तक की विभक्ति।
शुभ प्रभात। मम नाम मुस्कान जैन अस्ति। अहं 7म कक्षायां पठामि। अद्य अहं विश्वस्य उपलब्धासु भाषासु प्राचीनतमा संस्कृत भाषायाः महत्व विषय स्वविचारं कथितुम् इच्छामि।
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम मधु विश्वकर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं B में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों को संस्कृत भाषा का महत्व बताने जा रही हूँ। संस्कृत सर्वस्य भाषाणां जननी अस्ति। संस्कृत सभी भाषाओं की जननी है। संस्कृतं भारतस्य। अहं मयूरी पाटिल अष्टकक्षायां पठामि। अहं भक्तां समक्षे श्लोकोच्चारणं कुरुतः। पहला श्लोक। यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्षते निर्गच्छेत्।
नमस्कारं। मम नाम नानक बावा अस्ति। अहम् 8 कक्षायां पठामि। हिमालयं समारभ्य यावत् इंदु सरोवरं मम तुम देव निर्मितः देशः हिंदुस्तान प्रचते।
नमस्कार, मैं राइनम मरियम बिनोई हूँ। मैं कक्षा 8वीं B की हूँ। आज मैं संस्कृत पर्यायवाची शब्द के बारे में बताना चाहूंगी। पहला शब्द है विद्वत, चपला, चंचला।
मेरा नाम रोशनी प्रसाद है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं A की छात्रा हूँ। मैं संस्कृत में मेरा देश विषय पर कुछ वाक्य प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। अस्माकं देशः भारतदेशः अस्माकं देशः अस्ति।
मम नाम अलीना अलिशिवु अस्ति। अहम् 8 कक्षायां पठामि। डिजि भारतम्। अद्य सम्पूर्ण विश्व डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा श्रूयते। अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकानां यन्त्रसाधितानि भवन्ति। समाचारपत्राणि पुस्तकानि च कम्प्यूटर्माध्यमेन पठन्ति लिखन्ति च। अधुना आपणे वस्तुकारार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता नास्ति। डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादि सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणि।
अहम् 8 कक्षायाः छात्रा अच्छिका राजगीर अस्मि। अहं भक्तां समक्षे सुभाषितश्लोकानाम् उच्चारणं करोमि।
सुभाषितानि। गुणागुणकेषु गुणा भवन्ति ते निर्गुणं प्राप्य भवन्ति दोषाः। सुस्वादुतेयाः प्रभवन्ति नद्यः।
मैं आप सभी के समक्ष प्रसिद्ध कवि महाकालिदास के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहूंगी। अस्मिन् संसारे बहवः कवयः सन्ति, परन्तेषु कविषु महाकवि कालिदास संस्कृते मुकुटमणि इयम् अस्ति।
My name is Afsha Abrar of class 8A from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. And my name is Roshan Khan of class 8A from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. So, today we are making a 3D chart of a parts of speech to tell you that how many parts of speech are there. So, Roshan will tell the name and how many parts of speech are there. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now first start with noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. There are 4 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Pronoun. Next, pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used in a place of a noun or a place. There are 8 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflective pronoun and reciprocal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun and possessive pronoun. Now next, adjective. It shows and gives more information about noun or pronoun. There are 8 types of adjective: proper, quantity, demonstrative, interrogative, quality, numeral, distributive and possessive. Now verb. It shows an action or state being. There are 3 types of verb: action verb, linking verb and helping verbs. Next, adjective. Adverb. It modifies a verb or an adjective. And another adverb. It tells you how we do, where we do and when we do. There are 6 types of adverbs: adverbs of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner and adverb of degree, adverb of last, adverb of affirmation. Preposition. It shows the relationship between a word or a pronoun or a noun and another words. There are 3 types of preposition: simple preposition, double preposition and compound preposition, participle preposition, distinguished preposition and base preposition. Now next, conjunction. It shows
Hello everybody, we are from St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. I am Palak Jor from 7th A.
I am Jasmeet Kaur from 7th C.
So today we are going to show you our Sandhi model. So let's start. संधि परिभाषा: 2 ध्वनियों के जुड़ने पर उनके मेल से जो विकार उत्पन्न
अलंकार: काव्य में चमत्कार उत्पन्न करने वाले शब्दों को अलंकार कहते हैं। इसके 2 भेद होते हैं।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अर्पित शुक्ला है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत हूँ कुछ प्रसिद्ध कवियों की प्रसिद्ध रचनाओं की उपस्थिति के लिए। हमारे पहले कवि हैं श्री कबीरदास जी।
मेरा नाम मधु विश्वकर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों को हिंदी में पहेलियाँ बताने जा रही हूँ। पहली पहेली: एक पहेली सदा नवीली, जो पूछो सो जिंदा, जिंदा में से मुर्दा निकले, मुर्दा में से जिंदा। यह है अंडा। लंबी पूछ।
कवि रस खान का जन्म सन 1548 में हुआ माना जाता है। उनका मूल नाम सैयद इब्राहिम था और वे दिल्ली के आसपास के रहने वाले थे।
नमस्कार, आज मैं आप सबको अलंकार के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। अलंकार का शाब्दिक अर्थ होता है सजाना, अर्थात जो सजाता है वह अलंकार कहलाता है। अतः काव्य की शोभा बढ़ाने वाले अथवा सजाने वाले शब्दों को अलंकार कहते हैं, अर्थात काव्य में चमत्कार उत्पन्न करने वाले शब्दों को अलंकार कहते हैं।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अनुष्का मंडल है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं A की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आपके सामने हिंदी गतिविधि, जिसका विषय मैंने अलंकार लिया है, आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। अलंकार: हम अलंकार की परिभाषा, उसके भेद व उदाहरण जानेंगे। हम सबसे पहले अलंकार की परिभाषा जानेंगे। काव्य में चमत्कार उत्पन्न करने वाले शब्दों को हम अलंकार कहते हैं।
Good morning, all of you. I am Tasmia Khan of class 6C from St. Thomas Convent Girls Secondary School, Ayodhya Nagar Bypass. So, I take the model of art and craft. So, I am choose the crafts only.
Hello friends, I am Shruti of class 6B. I made a hot glue gun which is also work. It heat from here and push a stick and come from here. I made with scissors.
Morning ma'am, I am 6. My name is Pratibha Bharti and I am 6th B. Today I want to show you this. इसमें आप सबसे पहले क्या करें?
Good morning all of you. My name is Shrishti from class 6A.
Our cute rabbit bunny
Good morning, all of you. Materials to make mobile stand and a pen pencil stand are Fevicol, ice cream stick, colorful tape, and scissors. Let's start.
Hi guys, my name is Anuj Jain. I am from class 7C. Today I am going to explain you about how to make a lamp. Things, and then you can paint it and decorate it. I have made flowers with color papers.
Start.
Good morning to teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Abhinav Singh of class 7C. Today I am going to make peacock with plastic spoons. So let's start. The material required are plastic spoon, blue color cloth, cotton, Fevicol, colors, paintbrush.
Hello everyone, myself Abhanshi Baroni and I am studying class 7th A. I am here to present you my CPW project, that is a lamp. So now I am gonna present you. So guys, here's my project. Now I will tell how to make it. First of all, the material which you need to make this is 9 thermoglass.
Hello everyone, this is Avisha Vishkama of class 7C. Today I am going to show you how to make a tribal doll with the help of newspaper. This is how I made it.
Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Chakraborty of class 7th A. I am going to explain how to make flower frame. Take a A4 size.
You can see this is my flower vase. I will tell you how I make it and the material.
Then we have to do like this. Then stick it. Stick the flower on the wall hanging here. So it is ready. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Divyanka Malvi of class 8A and I am here to show my activities which I have made in this pandemic time. So this is a flower pot and this is also a flower pot. We can place some pens in it also. So this will go on a pen stand also. And this is some mini flowers which we can.
Good afternoon. I am Sarah of class 6B studying in St. Thomas Senior Secondary School, Ayodhya Nagar, Bhopal. I have made a model of the solar system. In the solar system,
Hello everyone, as we all know, our solar system consists of our stars, the sun and everything bounded to our by gravity, the planet Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Good evening students. My name is Jakir Gupta and I study in class 6B. I will represent my project solar system. This is the sun.
Monica Gautam. I am studying in St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School, Ayodhya Nagar, Bhopal. I have made a solar system. Solar system is made up of sun.
Hello, my name is Haniga. I study in class 6B. Today I am going to show you all my social science project, our solar system.
Hello guys, it's me, Tanishra Parak of 6A. Today I'm going to discuss about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. And
hello everyone, I am Palak Nunge from class 6A. So I am here to represent you my solar system and also explain it. Everyone knows that in our solar system there is one sun and 8 planets.
And this is Falguni Sharma of class 6C. Today I am going to tell you about our solar system. Our solar system is like the suburbs of the Milky Way galaxy situated away from the center of the galaxy.
hello everyone, I am Swastika Mishra from class 6C. Today I am going to describe about solar system. Our solar system is made up of sun, 8 planets with their natural satellites like moon, dwarf planet.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Ethar Vedra and today I am going from class 6th C. Today I am going to tell you about our solar system. Sun.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepti Sharma of class 6C and I am a student of St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I am presenting you solar system.
I am Chris Jory of class 6th and I have prepared a model of solar system. Now let us know about the 8 planets. The first planet from the sun is Mercury.
I am Manas Patak of class 6A. Today you can see the solar system. A solar system is like suburbs. It is situated in Milky Way. It is called Akash Ganga in Hindi. Now in solar system there are sun, planets, meteors.
My name is Shumeshwar Sahu. My class is 6A. I am telling about the solar system. First, Mercury. Mercury is the...
Good morning all of you. I am Tasmia Khan of class 6C from St. Thomas Convent Girls Secondary School, Ayodhya Bypass. So I have taken a model of social science. And the topic...
Good evening everyone. Myself Arjav Jain. Today I am presenting you solar system. And I will also know you some facts on solar system.
My name is Aradhya Rawat from class 6A. Today I make the model of solar system. As you can see, in between the planets.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Athar Verma. I am from class 6C. This is my project solar system. The solar system refers to the family.
Good morning everyone. I am Kabja Sarate of class 6C of St. Thomas School. I would present the model of social science. First, we learn our solar system. Our solar system.
Good morning all of you. My name is Gus Parashar from class 6C. Today I am telling about the solar system. Solar system is made up of sun, planets, moon, asteroids and meteoroids. Hi, I am Arsingpal from class 6C. Today I am going to explain the explanation process of rotation and revolution. So let's start. As you know this is sun, this is earth and
Hello everyone, my name is Riya Kirar of class 7C. Today I am going to show you a social project on environments. So let us see. Environment, the surrounding.
Hello everyone, myself Abhanshi Baronia and I am studying class 7C. I am here to present you my social science project that is different types of work. So now I am gonna present you. So here's my project.
I am Chatiti Nigam of class 7A and I have prepared a model demonstrating the 3 layers of Earth. These 3 layers are both physically and chemically different from each other. So let us start with defining these 3 layers of which Earth is made up of.
My name is Saksham Patil and I study in class 7th C. This is my social science activity, the layers of the earth. This is the earth. Now we have to cut into 2 pieces to represent.
Good afternoon. My name is Anmol Tripathi and I am the student of class 7th B. My subject is social science and my topic is difference between rural and urban areas. There is a vast difference between rural and urban areas. In rural areas, people do agriculture and farming.
Good morning to teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Abhinav Singh of class 7C. Today I had making the.
Hello everyone, I am Prachi Pariyar from class 7C. Today I am taking a topic global warming, how it takes place in our earth, and I am going to explain it. It is also my social science activity. So let's start. Sun, which gives light to the half of the portion of earth at a time. It releases many rays. Let us.
Hey everybody, my name is Anil Sawai, studying in 7th. My model name is Homemade Cloud. First we will take a.
Hi guys, my name is Anujan. I am from class 7C. Today I am going to explain you about rock cycle. As we know, there are three main types of rocks introduced.
Hello, good morning all of you. I am Shita Fine from 7C. My topic is environment, our natural environment. Our natural environment. Environment are two types, natural and man.
I am Joshi and I am from class 7C. Now I am telling you about layers of atmosphere. The layer of atmosphere is thickest near the surface of the earth and decreases.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Shashlodi. I am from class 7th B. Today I am going to explain my social science chart and the topic is Maurya dynasty.
Good evening ma'am, my name is Mehlodi. I am from class 7C. Today I will going to show you my social science activity and the topic is organs of government. Organs of government. The first one is legislative, the second one is executive.
Good morning, my name is Swasti Saraswat and my topic is layers of the earth. The earth is made up of three distinct layers: crust, mantle and the core. Crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust.
Hello everybody, I am Palak Jod from class 7A of St. Thomas Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to show you all my parts of volcano chart. So let's start with it. This is my parts of volcano chart.
Good morning, my name is Ashri Sausat and my topic is rock cycle. The process of transformation of rocks from one form to the other in a cyclical manner is known as the rock.
Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Raikwa. I am a student of class 7C is here to present my model on the topic volcano eruption.
All of you, my name is Kalyani Sahu of class 7th B. Here is the model of layer of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. Troposphere. Troposphere is the next layer to ground or surface of the earth. It extends up to 10 to 12 kilometers.
Good afternoon to you all. I am Sanchita Chandravanshi of class 7th B and today I had made a model on the layers of earth. In this model I have described that
Earth and its interior.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chirag Pandey. I am studying in class 7th A. Today I will be telling you about Earth.
To one and all present here, my name is Bhavli Vishkarma of class 7C. Today I will show you volcano, which is a working model of.
And today I will explain you this chart. So first we learn about save animals. We should save animals because like cows, dogs.
So hey guys, I am Anubha Srivastava from class 7th and I am here to discuss about the layers of the.
Good morning ma'am, I am Divyanshi Aire from class 7B and I made a model describing layers of the earth. First of all, the structure of the earth is divided into layers. These layers.
Morning everyone, I am Janvi Rajput of class 7th A and I have prepared the project. The model of the atmosphere to show the different layers of the atmosphere above the earth.
Hello ma'am, I am Aryan Nagi of class 7B. Today I am here to explain about my project that I made. Project name is Layers of the Earth. In this project I will explain about the
Good morning ma'am, I am Arushi Prajapati of class 7th A. Today I am standing here to tell you about my chart, the greenhouse effect. Let me start. The greenhouse effect.
Hello ma'am, I am Shankadi from class 7th B and ma'am this is my project of social science. Ma'am, I am talking about the rock model.
Hello my friends, today we will learn about
from the Sun. And our last planet is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and last planet in our solar system, and it's 4th largest planet in our solar system. It takes 164 years to take around, and its distance from the Sun is 4.495 kilometers. Thank you. This is our solar system and its planet.
Thank you, teachers.